This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a VW Jetta TDI. First, let's gather our essential tools and supplies. You'll need a 19mm wrench for the drain plug, a 32mm socket for the oil filter housing, and T25 and T30 Torx bits for various fasteners. Don't forget a torque wrench, an oil drain pan, and a funnel. For supplies, have 4.5 quarts of 5W30 full synthetic oil meeting VW 50700 specification, a new oil filter with O-rings, and a new drain plug. With your engine warm, safely raise your vehicle using ramps or jack stands. Next, remove the splash pan from underneath, which is secured by T25 Torx screws and a couple of locking tabs. Position your oil drain pan directly beneath the engine's drain plug. Using a 19mm wrench, carefully remove the drain plug and allow all the old engine oil to completely drain into the pan. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the oil has drained, reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to 22 foot-pounds. Now, move to the top of the engine. Remove the decorative engine cover and loosen the T30 Torx bolt holding the coolant line for better access. Use a 32mm socket to remove the oil filter housing. Carefully replace the old filter and O-rings, lubricating the new O-rings with fresh oil before installation. Reinstall the housing, torquing it to 18 foot-pounds. Now it's time to add your fresh oil. Pour in about 4.5 quarts of the new, specified engine oil through a funnel. Reinstall the oil fill cap and the decorative engine cover. Start your engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil and fill the filter. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the dipstick for the correct level. Finally, reattach the splash pan and ensure proper disposal of your old oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.